Fresh, ripe bananas are harvested by hand to protect their...
Human judgment ensures only perfectly ripened bananas enter the system.
Shade slows ripening and stabilizes temperature before transport.
Ventilation protects freshness without trapping moisture.
Standardized crates prepare bananas for automated logistics.
Temperature control preserves texture during transit.
Automation depends on bananas arriving unchanged.
This is where industrial automation begins. Human oversight guides bananas safely into automated flow.
Automated conveyors replace manual lifting at scale.
Automation cleans consistently and continuously. Uniform washing ensures food safety.
Automation reduces water waste while maintaining hygiene.
Machines detect defects faster than the human eye. Early removal protects overall quality. Precise data enables production planning.
Automation creates traceability from the start.
Order and timing are essential for automation. Machines peel gently and uniformly. Automation prevents unnecessary handling. Controlled mashing creates consistent texture.
Uniform mash is critical for baking stability.
Automation blends ingredients evenly at scale.
Machines ensure consistent dough every batch.
Texture is engineered, not guessed.
Automation controls hydration precisely. Testing allows structure to stabilize.
Time control replaces human intuition.
Uniform dough enables automated shaping.
Exact portions ensure even baking.
Consistency begins before the oven.
Automation shapes loaves identically. Continuous flow prevents delays.
Heat is controlled in stages for softness.
Automation monitors temperature constantly.
Uniform heat creates consistent structure.
Automation delivers predictable results. Controlled cooling prevents condensation.
Quality control verifies automation.
Machines detect shape and color deviations.
Only compliant products continue. Automation prepares bread for packaging. Uniform slices improve consumer experience. Alignment prevents packaging errors. Sealing protects freshness. Automation ensures traceability. Packaging completes the product.
Robots reduce repetitive labor.
Automation ensures exact counts. Precision stacking prevents damage. Loads are secured efficiently.
Environment preserves quality.
Data maintains supply balance.
Automation coordinates distribution. Distribution extends the factory.
Controlled transport protects softness.
Automation connects production to market. Consistency travels with the product.
Proper storage extends shelf life.
Uniform appearance builds trust.
Reliability influences choice.
Industrial systems support daily life.
Automation runs continuously. Human oversight guides machines.
Judgment refines automation.
Systems survive through care.
Clean systems perform better.
Automation never tires.
Predictability defines success.
Systems persist beyond human hours. The cycle repeats reliably.
Continuity sustains gains scale.
Timing replaces guesswork. Automation protects people.
Scale meets organization.
Automation plans ahead.
freshness is preserved.
Automation sustains supply chains.
Consistency builds confidence.
Trust is built silently.
Systems continue beyond the day. Automation maintains balance. Machines listen constantly.
Value is added step by step.
Verification completes the loop.
Production meets demand. Consistency sustains markets.
Automation transforms fresh, ripe bananas into soft, reliable banana bread every single day.